So without wasting time, let's directly get to the point that how you can hide your Instagram post from everyone. And for that purpose, you don't first of all have to open the Instagram app, but you first of all have to open up the App Store if you are on iPhone, and you have to open up the Play Store if you are on Android. Don't worry, I'm not going to ask you to install any third-party application. So after opening the App Store or Play Store, you have to go to the search bar and type in here Instagram and hit the search button. And when this Instagram app appears up, you have to tap on that, and you have to first of all update the Instagram app. If your application of Instagram is not up to date, you will not be able to hide your Instagram post from everyone. So after updating Instagram, you have to open it, and after that you have to go to the profile and go to the post that you want to hide from everyone. For example, this is the post that I want to hide. So after opening it, you have to tap on these three dots available at the top right corner of the post. So tap on it, and after that you'll be popped up with these options, and you have to go with the third option here, which is the archive. So as soon as you press the archive option here, this post will be disappeared. Don't worry, this has not been deleted, this has just been hidden from your profile, and it will not be shown to any of your followers or any of the random person on Instagram. Now if you want to see where has this Instagram post been disappeared and you want to show it again on your profile, you have to go to your profile again and tap on these three lines available at the top right corner of the screen. No matter whether you are on iPhone or Android, this works the same on both. So after that, you will find an option here, archive. You have to just tap on it, and here you will find all the posts you have hidden up to the day. You may be seeing this stories archive here. From here you have to select this option, and you have to go to the post archive, and here you will find the post that we have just hidden. You have to tap on it, go into these three dots again, and here you will find the option show on profile. As soon as you tap on this show on profile button, this post will be unhidden, and here you can see this post again. So that's how you hide or unhide the post from everyone on Instagram. If you have any of the questions, let me know in the comments. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.